It has been a fantastic 2 weeks of growth. We started to see an uptick in interest from European and North American clients. We've been monitoring the increased uptick of Chinese clients over the last couple of weeks, and it makes sense that the recovery is spreading across the globe. This is a great time to focus on your advertising because it is a bargain, and a lot of big players are going to hit the pause or pull out for a little while so they can recover and evaluate what the best choice of advertising or marketing could be for their conglomerates. And for the little guy, this means it's a value to get in and start advertising before they rush back in and the prices of advertising starts to go back up. So you're not going to see a bargain like this for much longer. We're also concluding a lot of different courses in the back end that we're doing. We're shifting our entire communication. All the videos that I'll be doing are going to start shifting more to high production value and high competency in what we do in digital marketing services. So it's been a great road. We've got a backlog of content now. We're building a backlog of podcasts. It is insane how much content you need to produce. All the social media I do, for instance, is done by me. I don't get any help from my team. And that's the sort of motive you have to have for your own personal brand, because it is your equity in this day and age. It is who you are. It is your professional track record. Even though I don't have a tremendous following, these videos convert, and I urge you to take control of your personal brand, figure it out, and just jump on board and start communicating, creating content that connects with your prospects, create content that connects with people, create content that promotes your authenticity. If you've had a great week, I hope to hear about it. Drop me a comment here below and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.